Well, guys, I bought a new camera. So for those that have been around since the beginning of the stream, you know I started off with some relatively lightweight equipment. Logitech C920, and sold first generation ThinkPad to run the stream. And while the quality of the content has always been great, the quality of the video and audio lacked a little bit. So since the streams took off much better than I thought they would, I put some time and some money into investing in the stream quality. And honestly, with your guys' support, it's grown much bigger than I thought it would. And again, I thank you all deeply for that. So, first upgrade, audio. Now, starting off a stream in the middle of a global pandemic, when audio and visual equipment is out of stock everywhere because everyone has to work from home and go to school from home, wasn't quite the best idea. So choices and options were limited up here, especially in Canada with the smaller market. So for audio, Marantz PodPack Pro, all-in-one, came with the boom arm, came with the mic, filter, and it is a USB microphone. It's not the greatest in the world. However, for my use case here, and once I got the settings dialed in, it's been rock solid, and I've been using it since one of the early streams when I got it. Now, next upgrade was video. C920, great field of view, I will give it that. However, clarity isn't exactly the greatest. The colors are a little bit off, and the glass ain't great either. It's a webcam, right? It's a $50 webcam when it's not a global pandemic. And really doing a stream with one camera isn't the greatest. So, upgrade. Went with a simple setup, camcorder, Vixia HF R800, Costco special, got it on sale, and a cam link. These combined were actually about $50 more than just purchasing another C920 at scalper price. That's how bad they got. And this has been the camera we've been using for a while. The field of view is a little narrow. This is at the widest it can go. This is as far back as the camera can go with my current setup. But it hasn't been bad. However, again, the resolution is there. The glass isn't the greatest. Some colors and whatnot is a little bit fuzzy, again, at the distance we're working here. And just talking to you guys on stream, it has come up that video would be the one thing to improve next. So after a few successful streams where, again, you guys were more than generous, I got this. This was a Sony a5100 mirrorless camera. Now, I went with the a5100 for a few reasons. One, up here in Canada, the a6000 series is near $1,000. And the a5100 has everything I need. I'm only streaming at 1080p. It's got interchangeable lenses if I ever need to. It's lightweight. I managed to snag this one open box for a relatively good price. Nothing as good as used that you can find in the States. Again, however, I'm in Canada. Our used market sucks. You're lucky to find something for maybe $50 off new. And I live in an area where there pretty much is nothing on our used market. So let's get this guy installed and let's see if it's worth it. Okay, and there we go. Now I have the a5100 set up. I haven't gone through all the settings. I literally just plugged it in, turned on clean HDMI. So I'm sure I can do a little bit more to clean it up. But just looking at it on my screen right now, it definitely beats this guy for quality. Now for this guy though, I'm not done with it. This guy is going on my ceiling. This is going to be my new overhead cam. I am waiting on, again, one of those cheap little $15 AliExpress HDMI to USB 2.0 adapters so that I will be able to get a clean signal out of this. So the C920 will stick around for a bit. I'm also going to have to figure out how to mount this to my ceiling. Good thing I got a ton of extrusions kicking around. So this will be the new overhead cam. This is the new wide angle lens. Field of view is much bigger there. And just looking at it, I keep looking at the screen. The quality's much better as well. So thank you guys for all your support since I've started doing this. This has been amazing. The response that I'm getting is just, I'm completely blown away. The channel has grown. We're up to almost 5,000 subscribers, which if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. And just your guys' enthusiasm and your support has made all this possible. So I thank you all deeply. And as always, be safe out there. Wash your hands. And have a nice day. Is that bokeh? Ooh. Oh, that's so much nicer.